So this is taking the internet by storm. It has nearly 17 million views in less than 24 hours. It's insane. This is a product, a new product by Google that essentially kills all product photography. You just upload like a shitty picture of your product that you take with your iPhone. You select a template, it seems like, and then it, boom, it puts your, like, as we see, it puts your product inside of all these like amazing mockups and pictures, all with AI. And yeah, it is quite like a bad day for people who do this type of like product photography. So if it wasn't dead already, this is, yeah, this is quite good. But a note on that, to me it seems like this is just Nano Banana Pro, but wrapped around like templates and probably like nice prompts and example images and maybe some refinements of the AI. They don't talk about exactly what the model is.
Like you could vibe this,
much.
couldn't you?
You could absolutely vibe this yourself. And I feel like a lot of these are really good stationary and like sets of images for the AI to take as a source of inspiration and then add the product instead of whatever product that is there. It's just replacing it. And as we've seen, Nano Banana Pro is extremely good at that. Like I canceled my, I don't know if I should name it ls.graphics. I canceled my subscription after many years. I was subscribed, I think, for 4 years now. Their mockups are really good, really beautiful. But now I'm like, man, do I need to pay $100 per year for this when I can just ask any AI to do this? I feel bad because I really want, it's one of like these strange feelings, like I want to support them as well, because look, these are so high quality, these are so good. But yeah, AI can now do this. And to answer your question, you just upload your image. So they have the Figma plugin, they have their own tool. You can install it in Photoshop depending on like the mockup. They have like different ones. You just upload the image or the design and it just puts it there. It works beautifully. Even with these, you just add your design and it basically works. Things like this I could imagine being more difficult with for AI, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use this anymore.
What was that tool that you showcased recently where it was a node-based creation? You could, granted, it was video 3D.
It was free.
Yeah, it was free pick thing. It reminds me of this Nano Banana wrapper thing. It's not the same. However, it's the output could be used the same way. You know, I've got an image of something and now I want to see it in loads of different product shoot mock-up things. But either way, yeah, I wonder why this got 17 million. I mean, it's good, it's fine, but I'm not blown away by it. Maybe I'm too blindsided by the technicalities or the lack thereof of it, because you could vibe code this. What are people saying in the comments? What are they so blown away by?
I fully agree. I don't know why it has 17 million. Maybe it's just the video, the showcase is just so compelling. It's selling it so good. The examples are just so perfect. Maybe Nano Banana Pro is not an amazing name and it doesn't, you know, I mean, even this is not an amazing name. I don't know. People are like, this is good. Well, this is didn't work all that well with my product. Didn't it? I don't know. So maybe not maybe, we know it doesn't work perfectly fine with small text. It's just, it tries to replicate it, but it might get it a bit weird with small text. but I'm pretty sure if you use like a JSON-based prompt, you'll get
Mm,
better results. And this is
mm.
what I do. I use crazy shit people create. Um, I prompt like based on with JSON, and with that everything is just more exact. So
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.